Push-ups are widely regarded as one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength. They can be performed anywhere and require no additional equipment, making them a convenient and accessible workout option. In this video, we'll explore what happens when you do push-ups every day. Be sure to watch until the end, it's going to be fascinating. Let's dive in. Push-ups target several key muscle groups, including the triceps, pectorals, and deltoids. The major pectoral muscle is the largest and most important muscle in the chest. Its primary functions are shoulder flexion, adduction, and internal rotation. The triceps are responsible for arm extension and work alongside the biceps to control arm flexion. The anterior deltoid plays a supporting role by stabilizing the hands in front of the shoulders during the exercise. What makes push-ups versatile is that the degree of muscle engagement can vary depending on the type of push-ups performed. Additionally, many muscles are engaged isometrically during push-ups, meaning they hold tension without expanding or contracting. These include the latissimus dorsi, internal chest muscles, abdominal muscles, thighs, and glutes, which help stabilize the body and maintain proper posture during the movement. When done with proper form, push-ups also strengthen the joints and tendons, reducing the risk of injury. Advanced variations, like uneven push-ups, where the arms are positioned at different heights, are especially beneficial for strengthening the rotator cuff, a commonly strained area in athletes. Now, let's discuss the incredible benefits of incorporating push-ups into your daily routine. Benefits of doing push-ups every day. 1. Increase strength. Push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, including the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. Proper form also activates the muscles in your back, core, and legs. This means a single exercise can work your entire body, making you stronger overall. 2. Improved heart health. Push-ups can strengthen your cardiovascular system. Studies link muscle fitness to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. For instance, men who can complete 40 or more push-ups in one set have a 96% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who struggle to do 10. This is because large muscle engagement demands oxygen delivery, which keeps your heart active and healthy. 3. Better shoulder protection. Regular push-ups strengthen the stabilizing muscles around your shoulders, reducing the risk of injury, especially during unexpected events like falls. These muscles protect your shoulder joints and ligaments, making push-ups one of the best exercises for shoulder health. 4. A stronger lower back. The lower back is critical in nearly every movement you make. Weakness or injury in this area can lead to chronic discomfort. Push-ups activate and strengthen your core, helping to support your lower back and prevent pain. 5. Improved posture. Weak core muscles are a common cause of poor posture. Push-ups engage your abs and back muscles, helping you maintain proper spinal alignment throughout the day, whether you're sitting at a desk or walking. Regular push-ups can train your body to adopt a healthier posture naturally. What happens when you do 15 push-ups daily? If you're new to push-ups, completing 15 reps might be challenging at first. However, with consistent effort, you'll likely find it easier within 2 weeks. By the end of 2-3 weeks, you may notice subtle improvements in your chest, shoulder, and arm muscles. For beginners, it's best to do push-ups every other day to allow for recovery. If you're more advanced, you can try variations like incline, decline, or even handstand push-ups for a greater challenge. For faster progress, incorporate proper technique and variations that suit your fitness level. Be sure to check out other videos on this channel for more fitness tips. See you soon. Thanks for watching.